national team member Greg Dolor played clutch in the tight fifth-set windup to lead unbeaten Instituto Estetico Manila to a 14-25, 25-21, 22-25, 25-22, 15-12 escape over PLDT Home Fibr Wednesday in the Premier Volleyball League Season 2 Reinforced Conference Men's Division at the FilOil Flying V Centre in San Juan. The former Far Eastern University star scored the last two of his 22 points on back-to-back hits that broke an 11-11 deadlock in the fifth set before Rudy Gatdula nailed two running attacks to seal the Phoenix Volley Masters' second win in as many outings for the solo lead. Dolor, who was sidelined with a broken left pinky in the national team's 2017 Southeast Asian Games stint in Kuala Lumpur, had 20 kills and a pair of aces to go with 6 digs for him, which sent PLDT winless in 2 games. Mark Inciso and Jeffrey Jimenez had 14 markers each while Joard Priesnit and Gatdula had 9 and 6 points, respectively, for the Volley Masters. Mark Gil Alfafara and John Victor Guzman, both teammates of Dolor in the national squad, finished with 21 and 15 points, respectively, for the ultra-fast hitters. Henry Pacana, who saved a match point, got 15 while JV Sumagase chipped in with 10 markers for PLDT. Meanwhile, defending champion Sinal debuted with a 25-23, 20-25, 25-23, 25-21 win over Vice Company. Behind Mark Espejo's 28 points. Espejo blasted 22 attacks, 3 aces and 3 kill blocks, while adding 24 excellent receptions. Issei Marasigan added 21, while Edmer Bonono scored 12 for the HD Spikers, who are looking for their third straight title after ruling last year's reinforced and open conferences. Jude Garcia and Berlin Paglinowan scored 12 and 11, respectively, for the 1-1 Blockbusters.